Welcome to InnerQuest. This is a Mini Yoga Nidra session, a short yet powerful journey into deep relaxation and inner light. As you settle in, allow yourself to release any tension and simply be in this moment of stillness and peace. When you feel ready, bring yourself to Shavasana. Lie down comfortably in a place where you won't be disturbed. Let your arms rest by your sides, palms facing up, and let your feet fall naturally apart. Feel your body being fully supported by the ground beneath you. When you're ready, gently close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body begin to soften. Imagine your body as a map of light. Each part of you holds a small spark of light, and together these sparks create a glowing landscape within you. Through your yoga practice, you've awakened this light in many places. Now, we'll guide this light on a journey of peace and restoration. Bring your attention to your toes. Picture a soft spark of light appearing there. With each breath, this light grows brighter, filling your feet with warmth and ease. Feel the light relaxing every muscle in your feet. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. This light begins to flow up through your legs, slowly illuminating your calves, your knees, and your thighs. Each area it touches becomes softer, more at ease, and fully relaxed. The light continues to travel upward, reaching your pelvis, your belly, and your chest. Here, it expands like a glowing sun, radiating warmth and calm throughout your torso. With every inhale, feel this light growing. With every exhale, it spreads further, releasing any tension. Let's take another deep breath in together. And as you exhale, feel the radiant light flowing into your shoulders and arms. It travels all the way to your fingertips, filling your arms with the same soothing warmth. Notice how your arms grow heavier, sinking into complete relaxation. The light moves gently up your neck and into your face, softening your jaw, relaxing your cheeks, and smoothing your forehead. Finally, the light reaches the top of your head, glowing like a peaceful star above you. From here, the light cascades down your entire body, covering you in a warm, radiant glow. While your body and mind are resting in deep relaxation, take a moment to simply enjoy this stillness. In a moment, you will hear some powerful questions. These questions are not meant to be answered with your mind. There's no need to think or search for an answer. Simply allow these questions to expand your awareness and invite a sense of joy, ease, and possibility into your being. What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to create more joy and ease in my life than I ever thought possible? How much fun and joy can I allow myself to receive today just by being me? Allow these questions to simply float in your awareness, like seeds being planted in fertile soil. You don't need to do anything with them. They will unfold in their own time and space. For now, just rest in the lightness and peace of this moment, knowing that you've invited new possibilities into your life. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back to your body. Slowly return your awareness to the space around you. When you feel ready, roll to one side and take a moment before sitting up. Carry this light and sense of possibility with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on this InnerQuest journey. If you enjoyed this practice, feel free to subscribe on Spotify or YouTube to support me and stay updated on new uploads.